Hey everybody, this is Ryan with the Roanoke Public Libraries. Today we're here to bring you another story time. We are going to be reading Birds by Kevin Henkes. This is illustrated by Laura Dronzig. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow, or blue, or brown, or red, or even green, I think. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. Birds can be big or little, or any size in between. Once, I saw 7 birds on a telephone wire. They didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move. I looked away for just a second, and they were gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, this is what I think the sky would look like. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this, or this. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all flew away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. We hope you enjoyed our story time today, and we'll see you again soon.
Hello, my name is Dylan Talas with the Roanoke Public Libraries. Today we're going to be reading Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine, just for one day, you're a busy bird. Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Look at that. Now swim along and stretch your neck. Do you know what kind of bird that is? That's a swan. Say, hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich, go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You begin the day, cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight. Toot, toot, an owl. And that's the end of Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Thank all of you for attending and have a great day.